Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can use a two WhatsApp account on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So first account, definitely when you go to your normal WhatsApp app, you're gonna simply sign in and you can use your one account in that particular original app itself. But if you've been wanting to access any other account, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your app store. You're going to go to search bar and type in WhatsApp business. This is strictly for business. Let's say if you have a work account, work number, you can simply go ahead, download this app and go through the same signing process as of like the original one. You simply have to go through the same sign-in process, go ahead, set up your account with your other number, either your business number, or maybe you can also use it as like a personal. But if you have multiple accounts, this is how you will be able to access, because in one WhatsApp you can only access one account. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.